I'll show you up to 5 brand new websites and programs that pay you to view online videos in this little video. Additionally, I'll show you exactly how I made my first $200, $300, or even $500 so you can follow along from wherever you are in the globe. Because this method is free, be sure to watch all the way to the end to learn about these 5 websites and apps that will help you increase your revenue. Additionally, keep in mind that you will earn more money if you use more apps. But before we get started, welcome to Daily Cash Tips, where we'll show you some brand new ways to make money online in 2022. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. To be notified every time a new profitable video from our channel is released, click the notification bell button. Share this with your friends and family as well, so that you and everyone else is aware of this excellent money-making technique. Simply leave a comment below if you have any queries, worries, or thoughts regarding the video. We look forward to reading them. Let's get the video going. I'm going to start by introducing you to MyPoints.com, a service that lets you make money online just by viewing movies. I'm aware that some of you have already visited this website, but what I want to show you is what is in my account, along with actual receipts of payments and how to access it. I'll demonstrate it in live in front of you to show you that it really does work. Once more, this software is completely free to download from your Google Play Store or App Store, and yes, it is accessible everywhere in the world. Consider this, they've been around since 2012, which is a considerable amount of time. There are other ways to make money online, including contests, surveys, watching videos, and cashback. But in this video, we want to focus on the method that pays the fastest, best, and most: watching videos. You may do this on your computer or your phone, but I want you to pay close attention because I'll log into my account first to show you how to do it. If you want to sign up, enter your email right here and click sign up. After that, you can give it a try. This is my account and my name. As you can see, I regularly withdraw a sizable sum of money per day from this website, and I'm still profitable. To start making money, all you need to do is simply leave the video playing in the background. I don't even have to watch the movie. I can earn money passively by letting it run in the background. I still have more than 8,000 points, as you can see, so I can cash them in for money. I'll give you an example by selecting PayPal as my preferred withdrawal option. Simply clicking Redeem Rewards will prompt me to confirm purchasing this price for 3,000 points, leaving me with a total of 5,000 points. Please confirm that your email address matches your PayPal account after withdrawing. I'll just click here to purchase the rewards, enter my password twice, and then hit Submit. My points have just been decreased by 3,000 points, as you can see above, and $5 will soon be transferred to my PayPal account following the processing of your reward. Follow this very easy approach to withdraw your money. You can see a number of well-known business when you click on offers in the offers section, including Offerturo, one of the most well-known producers of chances for you to watch videos and earn money. As you can see, by consistently accumulating 3,000 points, you can make up to $10. Let me now give you a supplementary piece of advice. Simply utilize all of your computers, smartphones, or both to open several browser tabs if you have a number of them. You can see several videos at once in this way. I generally have 3 or 4 tabs active when using the Google Chrome browser. I simply leave the video playing while I go about my other tasks, allowing the player to run automatically in the background. As a result, the movie keeps playing while I sleep, go out, or do other things, so I continue to passively making money. The best aspect is that it's incredibly passive in the sense that I don't have to put any effort on my side to push play and watch a movie, which means that all of that money builds up pretty rapidly. I'll show you a few more extra websites and apps if you wait until the very end. I'll show you the second app where you can get paid just for watching movies, because if you add them all, you could easily make twice as much money, triple it, or even earn 5 times as much. You can download App Nana, the second app, to an iOS or Android device. You may do a variety of different things there, such as play games, complete surveys, view films, and use Nana Points system to get points. As you can see, earning nanas can be converted into actual money that can be used in a variety of methods, including as making purchases with PayPal, Skrill, Pioneer, bank transfers, Bitcoin, and other cryptocurrencies. To earn even more money, You may also enroll in their referral program. Simply click this link to sign up, and you'll be taken to a page where you can fill out all the necessary information. You can post the code on Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and other websites if you'd like. It's really that simple. Simply pass this along to a friend to create a second revenue stream while you watch the videos on your own to create the first. Let's go on to the next website, MyPoints.com, which I like because you can sign up for a free account and receive a $10 welcome bonus. Who doesn't like that? Really? Amazingly, they'll give you a $10 welcome bonus straight away without asking you to do anything. Now all you have to do is click the Join Now button, enter your email address, and set a password. You may use this app to earn money in a variety of ways, watching videos being one of them. If you follow me through to the finish, I'll show you the types of videos you should watch because they all pay you differently. Some of them pay you more than others, while others give you a similar payment. Make sure to watch all the way to the end to find out which videos to concentrate on. But first, allow me to introduce you to app number 4, App Trailers. This application has been updated and new versions are frequently posted because of how well liked it is. If you're reading this right now, you're in luck since a new version has been released that allows you to just watch videos to earn money. This is a fantastic chance because it will pay you far more than the most recent edition, which is now available. I'll now give you some advice on how to make a lot more money more quickly. View at least 3 to 5 videos at once. Look at these ratings, 4.2 out of over 42,000 reviews, which is incredible, considering that many other applications only receive about 3 stars, while this one receives more than 4. Several positive remarks from the users themselves. Let's go on to Creation Rewards, the 5th and last app on our list. You might get $10 as an incentive for signing up. Once more, by utilizing this app, you can earn money and gift cards by watching movies. You also receive a sign-up bonus and $10 from them. But I want to make sure that you know that this software has been around since 2000, which is a very long period. For 18 years, they have given their members rewards. Again, there are other activities you can engage in, including paid surveys, video watching, website browsing, online buying, offer completion, and introducing friends and relatives. Personally, I prefer to watch videos and occasionally browse websites because they are all really simple to use even if you have never used them before. The surveys on the website pay very little money and are often just a waste of time. So I'll give you a fair warning. Just focus on viewing videos instead. You can wish to consider completing other offers related to browsing websites if you like it and want to make more extra money. You will see something very similar to this one on the left side of your account when you log in, where you may perform a variety of actions such as watch and explore, participate in surveys, download applications, suggest friends, and so forth. You can work in a lot of firms where you can get paid for watching videos. One thing to remember is that when you sign in on your phone, the daily rewards are right here at the top and bring up a list of all the various big-name businesses that are all in one app. Make sure you click on that to receive your daily prize because they always give you a bonus of extra money when you log into your dashboard in the morning. Once again, make sure to log in daily to redeem your rewards because after doing so for a month, they will unlock additional movies for you to view, enabling you to earn even more bonus cash. That's it for now. I hope this video was able to teach you something and that I was able to show you a different way to make money online. Please remember to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel if you enjoyed this video. You may be notified when we upload new videos by pressing the notification bell button. Watch for our upcoming video and I'll see you there.